time to time, I do window cushions or maybe breakfast nook cushions. And when you do that, especially if you want them in custom, you have to order the foam. So I know that it can feel intimidating to order your own foam, and what do you do with it? So it's a high density foam. I actually order it from Foam Touch Upholstery. So this is 2 pieces. One of them is actually 120 inches long, and the other one, it does say on here, I've actually forgotten how long it was, maybe 84.
Before I get too far, I wanted to let you know that I'm so excited to be launching my first ever slipcover class. So for the month of February, I'm doing a special deal with more than 50% off. So you can get this course for just $39.99 if you register before the end of February. This is a limited time offer. All of those links are in the show notes. Be sure to check that out. Now, getting back to unpacking this 3-inch foam.
They shipped them together and taped the boxes together to count, I guess, as one package or something like that. But let's try to go ahead and open this up. And of course, it does not look like it is that much foam, does it? Look at this. 3-inch high density foam, 24 inches wide. So when you open it up, prepare for the reveal, the grand reveal. I didn't even know if I could cut some of this. Sometimes I can. But you don't really want to cut the foam. So I am going to link in the show notes the foam that I use. I've been using this foam for quite a while, and I've always been really satisfied with it.
There may be an easier way to do this, but for now, it is like unrolling a huge roll of saran wrap, and it's just so much plastic tightly wrapped around the foam that has created like this shrink wrap. So it's definitely a little bit challenging to get off. All right, finally it is coming loose, and I mean, take a look at this. Isn't it crazy how skinny it is when it comes out of the box, and immediately it begins to fill with air and fills out to become that 3-inch cushion.
And so if you ever want window seats made, bench cushions, replacement bench cushions, I like the 3-inch because it's not too fat. Occasionally I've used a 4-inch, but often I find that a 2-inch is just going to be too thin. It really doesn't have quite the comfort that you want, and it doesn't give quite the aesthetic look because 2 inches just, it looks like a very flat cushion when it's on something.
These are just some pictures of cushions that I made from a 3-inch foam for a gazebo for a client, and this just gives you an idea of what it will look like as a bench cushion and just how filled out it will look for seating. Thank you for watching. You can shop tutorials and classes on my website, naomifeda.net. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, may God sow his love into your heart today.